It is springtime here in the Myrtle Beach, South Carolina area. How do I know it's springtime? Because everything, and I mean everything, is covered in yellow pollen. And so spring has sprung. And for me, that means a few things. The most important thing is dive season's right around the corner. I go scuba diving to go spearfishing and get fresh fish. And what I love with my fresh fish are my fresh vegetables out of my own homegrown garden. So today it's time. I've bought some plants to get planted, and I am planting once again my own hanging basket garden, flower basket garden. I think is what I called it last year when I did this. Last year was my first time. This year, my second time. I really enjoyed it. It was a success because nothing died. And I got a lot of tomatoes and jalapenos and onions. And I'm kind of going along those same lines again. So let's get started. Let's get the camera set up and let's get my garden built. So first of all, I cleaned these out at the end of last year and got all the old dirt out of them. As you can see where I dumped them out and cleaned them out pretty good. So we got to get these back into our flower baskets so that we can start putting our potting soil in. Roma tomatoes, jalapeno, and Thai chili peppers. It's a new day. Gardening hands, gardening hands. All right, let me show you why I just put about an inch in, because I'm gonna do something different. So I stuck those in, let them sit down. Now I'm gonna feel around them so I can pull that out, pull the root ball out, and stick it back in the hole. So you can see I've got them down in there. See, so when I pull them out, now I can stick my root ball right there, and I've got to hurry up because we're starting to get rain and I want them to get this fresh rain on them. So I'm already too late. It's really starting to rain really good. So what I did in this one is I made my holes, and so I cut these green onion roots right off of some green onions. Let me show you how I did that. And then we're going to stick them in here kind of open so that when the rain comes down, it'll fill these holes. So we may have to wait a few minutes on this. Let's see what the weather's going to do. All right, it's raining. I got to do this quick. Make sure to break up your root balls. Dr. Earth, pure gold, organic and natural. This is fertilizer. So what I want to do, this fertilizer needs to be put on and then wet real good, which we're getting. So let's get some fertilizer on it. Not sponsored, but you can get some. I'll put a link in the description below if I find some. I know I've been moving a little fast, but here is a little break in the rain. So we've got our fresh potting soil. These are our green onions, and I'll buy some more green onions from the store for my salads, and then this thing will be full by the end of the year. Thai chili pepper, jalapeno, and this one I notice actually has a bud. So we may see some here soon. So I put them in, and I also poke some holes with my finger around the sides to make sure the water kind of catches and gets on those roots real good. And these are Roma tomatoes. So I've got my fertilizer down. We'll see what the rain does. It's supposed to soak them really good when you put this fertilizer on. So let me check the weather real quick and maybe I'll do that. Oh, okay, what the heck. So I have a water hose right here on my back deck. This is why I like to put my flowers here. So let's soak this fertilizer really, really good. Maybe a little bit on the plants. I try not to get them too wet, but I also don't want them to be too dry. Gardening is fun. And our onions. Alright, so now we're good and wet, and even if it rains, these green containers have drip holes in the bottom, so the water does drip out. They don't flood, you know, like this doesn't just fill up with water and flood the plants. It does allow them to drain, so we should be okay and not overwatering them. How about that? During the summer when everything is grown and totally producing, it is so beautiful to sit on the back porch and just look at the greenery. It's beautiful. Especially when they're blooming and they produce the flowers, it's awesome. So that's what it looks like. Now for all you gardening people, I am considering boxing this area of my yard off from like that pole square and making me a garden right here. Just a raised garden. So your thoughts, and if I do it, what's the best way to do it? And maybe what are your personal choices on what I should plant in it, vegetable wise? I'm thinking of cucumbers, squash, things along those lines that I really don't want to grow in my baskets. So there you have it, friends. This is my flower basket garden. A fun thing I love to do every year, and I do like to record it. One, so I can remember it, but two, also share all the fun we have. Would that make a good thumbnail? A nice flower basket garden. I'll keep you posted on the growth, because when I go spearfishing, I come out here and I use these vegetables in my dishes that I use, whatever preparation I'm doing for my fresh fish. Plus salads. I eat a lot of salads, so I like salad. So I put all this on salad. So real quick, before I get totally swamped by a thunderstorm, thank you for joining me. I really appreciate it. I appreciate everybody who's subscribing to the channel and joining in all the fun, leaving comments, getting to know you. I appreciate all those things because life's an adventure. And you have to get off the couch to live it, friend. So I'll see you in the next one.